Let's check these babies out and see what we got. Whew. All morning hunting Hot Wheels. Let's check them out. All right, let's see what we found in the bags right here. Let's open them up. Come on. We got a Volvo 240 drift wagon. We have a new for 2026 Dino 206 GT. We have a Fiat 500C. We have a Bully Goat, like a Trans Am in the front. Don't really know what it is. Camaro in the back. But that is the Bully Goat. And we got a 55 Chevy. Chevy Fever. Check out that bad boy. And we got one of the Supercharged NHRA funny car. And we got a little Matchbox Morgan Plus 4. And another Matchbox 97 McLaren. That is a dark green right there now. And then we got a Click Shift, which is all motor, 732 cubic inch. If you ever see one of these things, pick it up. That thing is heavy. Don't say new for 2026, just says 2026. But that thing's heavy. And we got one of my little favorites, a little bouncing bass. Then it comes in a gold also. And the little Matchbox 56 Aston Martin. Check out that baby. Then we got a little Mad. Little Chevy Nomad, which is a little Mad. Another little Matchbox. We got a 69 Camaro SS 396 convertible. It's pretty sweet. And we got some kind of slide burn. Really know what that is, but it's a slide burn, and it's HW Torque. There it is. And we got another little Matchbox. We have a 68 Ford Mustang Fastback. Check that out. Then we have another Volvo drift wagon that I showed you. We got a chopping block. Never a fan of the chop blocks, but it was different, you know. I go for different, I guess. Uncertainty. Looks like something off the Monsters. And we got another Matchbox, which is a Radical SR3XXR, whatever that is. But it is cool. Check it out. And we got some kind of mountain mower. The mountain mower. One bag down, one to go. Little 71 Ford Bronco. Another Matchbox, another Camaro. I like the Camaro, is what I say. Due for 2026, Mopar PT Fast. I hadn't heard of them, I hadn't seen one. But it's the PT and it's supposed to be fast, I reckon. Huh, like a PT Cruiser. It's an upgrade. But I guess not too bad. And look at the little pedal driver. Remember little pedal cars? It's neat. And we got the 2019 Audi Safari. Jaguar XJC V12 Coupe. And we got a Ferrari F2004. Check it out. We got a little Diora Tooned. Look like something off the Minions. That's. And they got me another Aston Martin. 63 Ford Galaxy. 427. BMW M4 GT3. New for 2026. And we got the 96 Dodge Viper GTS. And we got another Nissan Maxima drift car. And another Quick Shift. And another Maxima drift car. And we got the 16 Lamborghini Roadster. And another Camaro. See, I like Camaros. And the last one is 85 Porsche 911 Rally. Matchbox. Well, there you go. That's my little haul. Hope you enjoyed the video. Check out my other videos at 164 Scale Racing, and appreciate it if you subscribe. Y'all have a good day. Thanks.